Yesterday was in fact the biggest day of vaccinations in this country's history. The team are doing an amazing job.
And is this vaccination programme enough to avoid a third wave?
Well, the vaccination programme is our route out of the pandemic. It will help us to protect people, and we know that these vaccines protect you, but we also know that they protect those around you, and they make it less likely that others, your loved ones, will catch coronavirus too. And of course, for all of us, they're our route out. So I'm just delighted that so many people are coming forward and getting the jab. The whole vaccines programme has been such a huge team effort, and there have been challenges all along the way, but we're making great strides, and really it's a national success story that everybody could be proud of. And I'm very, very glad that European countries are now restarting their vaccination programme using the Oxford AstraZeneca jab. The European regulator has been clear throughout that this is safe and effective. It's very good to see that backed up by the French Prime Minister taking the Oxford jab himself yesterday, along with ours and lots of my colleagues and a record number of people across this country. Well, of course, we've got to be vigilant because we know that this virus spreads ruthlessly, and we've set out the roadmap for a cautious, but I very much hope irreversible exit from these lockdowns. We've seen from the first wave a year ago and from the second wave in the autumn that we saw it first on the continent in Europe, and then we saw it here. So of course we're absolutely vigilant, but there is no sign that we won't be able to make progress as set out in the roadmap. Here, thankfully, the number of deaths is falling very, very fast, by more than a third a week. We are seeing something of a flattening in the number of cases, but they're still coming down. And of course, the vaccine rollout is going incredibly well. So we're on track to meet the commitments we've made to vaccinate the whole population, offer that first jab by the end of July, and to meet the dates set out in the roadmap, but we'll stay vigilant and we'll be cautious and careful in our approach.